Looking for the best copywriting tools and software to use in 2024? You're in the right place. We live in a digital age where the right words can make a world of difference. And as we move further into this era, having the right tools in your copywriting arsenal is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're an established copywriter or just starting out, there's a tool out there that can elevate your writing, making it more efficient, effective, and engaging. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the top-notch tools and software available for copywriters in 2024. From grammar checkers and readability analyzers, to plagiarism detectors and SEO optimizers, we've got you covered. We'll delve into each tool, highlighting its unique features and how it can help you craft compelling copy. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of copywriting tools. Stay tuned as we dive into the top selections, each with its unique features. First on our list is Grammarly. This tool is a game changer in the world of copywriting, and here's why. Grammarly is an AI-powered app that does more than just correct your grammar and spelling errors. It's like having your personal editor that's available round the clock. Imagine typing up a storm, your fingers flying across the keyboard in a burst of creative energy. You're in the zone, and the last thing you want to do is pause to ponder over the proper use of a semicolon, or whether it's effect or affect. That's where Grammarly steps in. It automatically flags up errors as you write, giving you real-time feedback on your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. It's like having a little grammar guru residing in your computer, gently guiding you towards better writing. But Grammarly goes beyond just grammar and spelling. It also offers style improvements to help make your writing more clear, concise, and engaging. It's like having an English teacher looking over your shoulder, suggesting better ways to phrase your sentences, or pointing out when you're being too wordy. It can even help you with tone and readability, ensuring your message is not just grammatically correct, but also easy to understand and appropriate for your audience. One of the standout features of Grammarly is its plagiarism detection feature. It cross-references your text against billions of web pages, ensuring your work is not only polished but also original. It's a vital tool for any serious copywriter, ensuring you stand out for the right reasons. What's more, Grammarly is flexible. It can be used as a standalone app, a browser extension, or integrated into your word processor. So whether you're writing a blog post, a social media update, or a formal business document, Grammarly has got you covered. It's like having a writing assistant who's always on call, ready to help you produce your best work. In a nutshell, Grammarly is more than just a spell checker. It's a comprehensive writing tool that helps you write more effectively, more efficiently, and with greater confidence. Grammarly, making your copy clean and professional. Next up is the Hemingway Editor. Imagine a tool that not only helps you write better but also encourages you to write boldly and clearly. That's the Hemingway Editor for you. Named after the famous author Ernest Hemingway, known for his terse and straightforward writing style, this tool aims to guide you towards similar writing habits. One of Hemingway Editor's key features is its ability to highlight complex sentences. It's not just about spotting grammatical errors, but about simplifying your writing. The tool uses a color-coded system to point out sentences that are hard to read or unnecessarily complex. It nudges you to break down these sentences, making your writing more digestible and engaging. But the magic of Hemingway Editor doesn't stop there. It also targets common errors that can slip into your writing, like passive voice or excessive adverbs. We've all been there, right? Writing a sentence that sounds perfect in our heads, only to realize it's passive or overstuffed with adverbs. Hemingway Editor underlines these in blue and purple respectively, prompting you to revise and improve. What's more, it gives you a readability score, indicating the education level required to understand your text. It's a fantastic way to ensure your writing aligns with your intended audience. If you're targeting a broad audience, you want that score to be low, signifying that your content is easily understandable. And the cherry on top? Hemingway Editor is not just for copywriting. Whether you're drafting a blog post, scripting a video, or even writing a novel, this tool can be your writing companion, encouraging you to write with clarity and boldness. So whether you're a seasoned copywriter or just starting your writing journey, Hemingway Editor can be a game changer. It's not just about correcting your writing, it's about refining it, making it bold and clear, just like Hemingway's prose. Hemingway Editor, your tool for clear and concise writing. Coming in at number 3 is Copyscape. In the world of copywriting, originality is the name of the game. You want to create content that is fresh, engaging, and most importantly, unique. But how can you be sure your work is truly one of a kind? That's where Copyscape comes into play. Copyscape is a powerful tool that has made its mark in the copywriting field as a leading plagiarism checker. It's the detective of the digital writing world, scouring the vast expanses of the internet to ensure your content isn't a carbon copy of something that's already out there. But it's so much more than a simple search engine. In its essence, Copyscape is an ally for writers. It's a tool that helps you maintain your integrity as a writer and safeguards your reputation. It's a tool that gives you the confidence in knowing that your work is truly your own. And in the realm of copywriting, where originality is priceless, that's a tool worth having. But how exactly does Copyscape do its job? It's quite simple, really. You input your text into the Copyscape search bar and it does the rest. It combs through billions of web pages, comparing your content with what's out there. If it finds a match, it'll alert you, showing you exactly where and how your content overlaps with others. And that's not all. Copyscape also offers a premium service for those who want a little extra peace of mind. With Copyscape Premium, you get to check your work against the entirety of the internet before it even goes live. This preemptive strike against plagiarism gives you the upper hand in ensuring your content is original. The bottom line is, whether you're a seasoned copywriter or just starting out, Copyscape offers a level of assurance that your work is original. It helps you steer clear of plagiarism, intentional or not, and keeps your content in the clear. So, whether you're crafting a blog post, penning an article, or writing a book, remember to keep it original, and with Copyscape by your side, that's a whole lot easier. Copyscape, ensuring your work is original and plagiarism-free. Fourth on the list is Yoast SEO. Now, what's the point of writing fantastic content if it doesn't reach the right audience? That's where Yoast SEO comes into play. Yoast SEO is a powerful tool that's been a game changer in the field of copywriting, especially when it comes to enhancing the visibility of your content on search engines. It's like having a seasoned SEO expert right by your side, guiding you every step of the way. You see, Yoast SEO takes the guesswork out of search engine optimization. With its comprehensive features, it helps you strike the right balance between writing for humans and writing for search engines. This ensures that your content is not only engaging, but also ranks high in search engine results. One of the standout features of Yoast SEO is its readability analysis. It assesses your content for readability, giving you insights into the length of your sentences, the use of passive voice, and the structure of your paragraphs. It even gives you a Flesch reading ease score, a tool that measures the complexity of your text. This way you can ensure that your content is easily digestible, keeping your readers hooked from the first word to the last. But that's not all. Yoast SEO also excels in keyword optimization. This feature allows you to set a focus keyword for your content. Once set, Yoast SEO analyzes your content to see how well it's optimized around this keyword. It also provides suggestions on where to add the keyword and how often, helping you achieve the perfect keyword density. The beauty of Yoast SEO is that it gives you real-time feedback. As you write or edit your content, it continuously evaluates and provides suggestions, allowing you to optimize your content on the fly. In a world where content is king, Yoast SEO is the crown. It not only helps you create engaging content, but also makes sure it stands out in the crowded digital landscape. With Yoast SEO, you can rest assured that your content is always optimized for success. Yoast SEO, your partner for a better search engine ranking. Last but not least is Evernote. This is a tool that has become a favorite amongst copywriters and creatives all over the globe. What makes Evernote stand out? It's an app that takes note-taking to the next level. Think of Evernote as your own personal assistant that's there to help you keep track of your thoughts, ideas, and inspirations. It's like having a digital notebook that's always with you, ready to capture your thoughts on the go. Evernote is not just about note-taking, it's about organizing your thoughts in a way that makes sense to you. Evernote allows you to create notebooks for different projects, tag your notes for easy searching, and even add attachments like images or links. It's not just a tool for writing, it's a tool for thinking. One of Evernote's most powerful features is its ability to sync across all of your devices. Whether you're on your laptop at home, your phone on the move, or your tablet at a cafe, your notes are always with you. You can jot down a quick idea on your phone and then flesh it out on your laptop when you have more time. The power of Evernote lies in its flexibility and accessibility. Sharing is also a breeze with Evernote. Working on a team project? You can easily share your notes with your colleagues. Need to present your ideas to a client? Just send them a link to your notebook. Evernote makes collaboration simple and seamless. But what truly sets Evernote apart is its commitment to constant improvement. The team behind Evernote is always listening to its users and updating the app with new features to make your life easier. They understand that the creative process is ever-evolving and they're committed to evolving with it. So if you're a copywriter looking for a tool to help you capture and organize your ideas, look no further than Evernote. It's more than just a note-taking app. It's a tool that can help you streamline your creative process and boost your productivity. Evernote, your tool for capturing and organizing ideas. So, those were the top copywriting tools and software for 2024. A quick recap for you, Grammarly, your personal grammar coach, always ready to correct your grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. It's more than just a tool, it's a mentor guiding you towards flawless writing. Then we have Hemingway Editor, your readability expert. It ensures your content is easy to understand, helping you to write more like Ernest Hemingway himself. Clear, concise, and powerful. It's a great tool to make sure your audience stays engaged and understands your message. Next up, Copyscape, standing guard to protect your original content. It's the plagiarism police, ensuring your work stays unique and authentic. Remember, originality is key in copywriting, and Copyscape is there to help you uphold this principle. Yoast SEO then comes into play, optimizing your content for search engines. It's your SEO assistant, guiding you to write content that not only appeals to your audience but also ranks high on search engines. Yoast SEO is the bridge between your content and its visibility online. And last but not least, Evernote, your digital notebook. It's there to help you organize your thoughts, ideas, and drafts. No more losing your brilliant ideas or spending hours searching for that piece of information you jotted down somewhere. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in your copywriting journey. They're like your team, each with its own strengths, working together to improve your writing. They help you avoid common mistakes, ensure your writing is clear and engaging, protect your originality, optimize your content for search engines, and keep you organized. But remember, these tools are just aids. They're here to support you, but it's your creativity, your voice, and your message that really make your writing stand out. So keep honing your skills, keep learning, and keep writing. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your copywriting journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.